Hello everyone, so welcome again to this video. In this video we will discuss about the one of the most important frequently asked questions in the interview, that what is the difference between the append and extend method in the list. So you know about that list is basically a data type in the Python that contain the heterogeneous of the elements, right? It means that it can contain either the integer, either the string, either the dictionary, any data type it can be contained. So that is nothing but a heterogeneous elements. So let's see what is the difference between the append and extend method in the list. So suppose that we have a two list one which contain the 1 2 3 and list 2 which contain the a b c d, right? If I'm going to use the append method into the lst1 into the lst2, right? If I want to append the lst2 second list into the first list, then what will be the output? Let's see. So if I'm going to use that, the output will be become a b 1 2 3, and then the same list will be going to append as it is. Okay, so it will read as a single items into the output, right? So how many items are there? 1 2 3 and then 4. Okay, if I'm going to print the length of the items, okay, length of the item in lst1, so what will be the output? Output will be the 4. It means there are 4 items, 1 2 3. It was the earlier it was there, and if I'm going to append the lst2, it will treat as a single items. Okay, but if I'm going to use the extend method, right, what will be the output? The same method, same logic I'm going to use, but only in respect to the append I want to use the extend. So it is nothing but it will extract all the items into the second list into the second list one. So if you see that item, how many item will be there? A 1 2 3 it was there, and a b c it will become a item. It will not combine and treat as a single entity. It will treat as a different entity. If I'm going to print the length of the lst1, right? So how many items will be there? There are total 7 item, because 4 item was there in this second one and 3 item in the first one. But in the case of append, it will be treat as a single item. So how many item will be there? 4 item. So this is the main difference between the append and extend, that if I'm going to use the append over the list, it will as a single entity, okay, single item. But if I'm going to use the extend, it will extract all the items which is available into the second list, and it will treat as a single entity. Each and every item will become a single entity, right? So this is the main difference between the append and extend. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching this video.